Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest way. There's no stress, no complicated lessons. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times, and you'll start learning effortlessly. Today's video is about a dessert that has become a powerful symbol of American tradition, apple pie. When people say, as American as apple pie, they're referring to something deeply tied to the culture and identity of the United States. But where does this pie actually come from? And how did it become such an important part of American life? Let's begin with its origin. Believe it or not, apple pie didn't start in America. It has roots in Europe, especially in England, where early versions were made as far back as the 1300s. These pies were different from what we know today. They sometimes didn't even use sugar or a top crust. The recipe evolved over time, and when British colonists came to America, they brought the tradition with them. In the United States, apple pie began to take on a life of its own. Apples were widely available, and new varieties were developed in the American colonies. The pie was easy to make, comforting, and delicious, perfect for family gatherings, holidays, and community events. By the 1800s, apple pie was a staple in American kitchens. So, why did it become such a powerful national symbol? During World War II, American soldiers were asked why they were going to war. Many replied with the phrase, "For Mom, an apple pie." That simple expression captured the love for home, family, and country. From that moment on, apple pie wasn't just food, it was a patriotic icon. The classic American apple pie include the flaky, buttery crust filled with sliced apples, sugar, cinnamon, and sometimes a hint of nutmeg or lemon juice. It's often served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a combination known as apple pie a la mode. Apple pie has become more than just a dessert. It's a symbol of comfort, tradition, and national pride. You'll find it at Thanksgiving dinners, summer picnics, and 4th of July celebrations. It represents the idea of simple, honest, home-cooked food that brings people together. So next time you hear someone say something is as American as apple pie, you'll know they're talking about more than just a dessert. They're talking about a cultural icon. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the history of apple pie and its deep connection to American culture, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the upcoming feedback video. It's a key part of truly mastering English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it to help us grow and keep making better and better videos. See you in the next adventure.